Welcome to this morning meditation. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, in a place where you can relax. Now let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension in your body with each breath. Feel your body becoming more relaxed, more centered in this present moment. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. Allow your body to settle into the space around you. Now gently bring your attention to your breath. Breathe naturally, noticing the air entering your body and leaving your body. With each inhale, feel a sense of calm entering. And with each exhale, release any tension or worry. Let your breath be a reminder of the present moment as you let go of anything that's not serving you. As you continue to breathe, think about the intention you'd like to set for today. It could be a feeling like peace, joy, or confidence, or perhaps an action like being more present or open. Now visualize this intention taking deep root inside you. Imagine it growing throughout your day, guiding your choices and actions. Now bring to mind something you are grateful for today. It could be something simple like the sunshine or a warm cup of tea or coffee, or something larger like the support of your loved ones. Allow the feeling of gratitude to fill your heart, noticing how it uplifts and centers you. Let gratitude be the foundation of your day. Now repeat these affirmations quietly to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. I am calm, capable, and centered. I choose to embrace today with positivity. I am grateful for the opportunities this day holds. I am worthy of peace and success. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way today. I choose peace, positivity, and gratitude in all that I do. Today is full of opportunities for growth and happiness. I am in control of my energy and my mindset. As you finish your affirmations, bring your focus back to your breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take in the space around you. Take a final deep breath in and out. As you go forward today, remember that you are calm, you are capable, and you have the power to make today a positive and fulfilling day. As you move through your day, carry this sense of peace and positivity with you. You are grounded, you are ready, and today is full of possibilities. Thank you for joining this morning meditation. Have a wonderful, mindful day ahead.